this hope that the paper can spur further research into OMM and the role of traumatic brain injury. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Dr. Kramer. Now the time has come to present three of our profession's most revered leaders with the AOA Distinguished Service Award, the highest honor we bestow. President Levine and I are now honored to celebrate the three DOs who are being honored with the Distinguished Service Award this year.
The American Osteopathic Association, an organization built to represent the finest physicians in the world. Each year, our organization honors the best of the best, men and women who stand tall among a stellar field of professionals. For his contributions to the art and science of osteopathic medical education, the AOA is proud to present its Distinguished Service Certificate to Alvin D. Dubin, DO. Dr. Dubin graduated from the Philadelphia College of Osteopathic Medicine in 1956 and started his 4 decades-long practice of otolaryngology and facial plastic surgery in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. He served as program director, residency otolaryngology at JFK Memorial Hospital from 1978 to 2000, and then as clinical professor of surgery from 1985 to 2011 at the University of Medicine and Dentistry of New Jersey, School of Osteopathic Medicine. Over the course of 40 years, Dr. Dubin has distinguished himself within the AOA by providing leadership in osteopathic graduate medical education. He served as a member of the AOA Council on Postdoctoral Training from 1970 to 1979, chairing that council for the next 6 years, and then chaired the AOA Bureau of Professional Education from 1986 until 1992. Dr. Dubin also serves as the executive director of 2 certifying boards, the American Osteopathic Boards of Ophthalmology and Otolaryngology, and the American Osteopathic Board of Surgery. Dr. Dubin's service to the AOA has not let up. He has served as chair for the Bureau of Osteopathic Specialty Societies and continues to represent ophthalmologists and otolaryngologists on that bureau and in the AOA House of Delegates. For the past 2 decades, Dr. Dubin has devoted his career to serving as the Executive Vice President and Chief Executive Officer of the American Osteopathic Colleges of Ophthalmology and Otolaryngology, Head and Neck Surgery. He has served as president of both the American Osteopathic Colleges of Ophthalmology and Otolaryngology, Head and Neck Surgery, and the New Jersey Association of Osteopathic Physicians and Surgeons. Dr. Dubin is a proven leader in the osteopathic medical profession. The AOA is proud to bestow its highest honor of Distinguished Service Certificate to Alvin D. Dubin, DO.